Hi guys! As you see, I'm in top 5 at Face Awards Baltics 2019 and I can't even describe how happy I am, and I still think that I'm dreaming it. This is all just a beautiful, wonderful dream that is going to end really soon. I wouldn't dare to even dream about being in this place when I started this contest, the first place, and oh my gosh, I went such a long way from the beginning to there to here. And first of all, I want to say thank you for my BFF Smilus Photo, who not only makes beautiful photo shoots and videos together with me, but she always pushes me to go farther and farther, and also she knows how to slow me down when that's needed. So thank you for being with me, and thank you for your support forever and ever. Of course, I want to say big thank you for all my models who were part of these projects. It's Kristina Tarasevičiūtė, my beautiful steampunk sugar plum fairy, Arnas Juškevičius, who was proud soul, and he made me really proud of that work, and he was like super awesome. And of course my marvelous marble statue Severija Bružaitė, or Raido if you want to see her makeup works on social media. You guys are the reason that I am here. Without you I wouldn't make it here, so thank you all. And also thank you for all my friends, family, and just people who likes my works, my art, because it is you that I'm creating for. And without any further ado, I would like to dive into this super heavy, super big NYX and Partners box. So let's start this unboxing. And when I open the box, first thing I see is beautiful gift bag from Kiehl's, and inside of this bag there is calendula serum infused water cream with micronized calendula petals and calendula flower extract. Then we have big bag from Matrix, and inside this beautiful colorful bag there is some nice stickers. I hope you see it. Then we have Total Results So Silver Color Obsessed Shampoo to neutralize yellow, and the same conditioner. Total Results Keep Me Vivid Pearl Infusion Shampoo and Conditioner. Keep Me Vivid Color Velvetizer Shine Glaze with UV Filter. We have Total Results Keep Me Vivid Color Lamination 1 minute after color rinse. Thank you, Matrix. Next we have some presents from Garnier, and this is nice makeup bag and beautiful little towel from Garnier. Garnier Skin Naturals Vitamin C Shocked Fresh Mixed Tissue Mask hydrates, illuminates, energizes. Green Tea Detox Moisturizing Cream Protection Antioxidant Green Tea Extract with Vitamin E. Color Cleansing Water from Garnier. Pure Active 3-in-1 Charcoal Anti-Blackhead Wash Scrub Mask. Next, let's dig into NYX Professional Makeup. And let's start with micellar water, stripped off. Ooh, very nice cosmetic bag. I'm worth the hype. Water bottle to keep hydrated. Brushes case, and it's not empty. Oh, there's few brushes inside here. And these are brushes number 10, number 36, number 16, number 14, number 8, number 20, number 2, so soft, and number 26, and number 6. Bear with me, Prime Set Refresh Multitasking Spray. As a fix setting powder, you can never have too much of setting powders. Cleansing balm stripped off. Sweet cheeks glow in colors Fig, Taupe, Silence is Golden, Summer Breeze, So Taupe again, and Risky Business. And Sweet Cheeks Matte in colors Silence is Golden, Fig, Taupe, Summer Breeze, and Risky Business. I see NYX Lingerie Push-Up Long-Lasting Lipsticks. There are 6 of them in shades French Maid, Exotic, Seduction, Teddy, Push-Up, and Embellishment. NYX Lingerie Glitter Lip Gloss in Clear and Eurotrash. Lip Primer from NYX. Honey, Do Me Up. And then we have Pigment and Glitter Primers. White eyeliner, Vinyl eyeliner, and Epic Ink liner. Then I see 3 mascaras. On the Rise Volume Mascara, and also Worth the Hype Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara, and Worth the Hype Blue Worth the Hype Volume and Lengthening Mascara. NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. What do we have here? It's NYX Professional Makeup Electro Brights Matte Lip Cream in shades Rio de Janeiro, Tulum, and Atlanta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 glitters in shades Bronze, Silver, Blue, Style Star, Red, Teal, Goldstone, Gold, Copper, and Crystal. Electro Brights Loose Pigments in colors Not Now, Acid Dreams, and Hey Stranger. Shimmer Down Pigments in shades Almond, Salmon, and Mauve Pink. NYX Professional Makeup Glow On Lip Gloss in colors Violet, Lilac, and Floral. The Duochromatic Shimmer Lip Gloss in shade Spring It On. Glitter Goals Liquid Eyeshadows in shades Retrograde and Multiverse. This is everything. Lip oil from NYX Professional Makeup. White eyeshadow base. Duochromatic illuminating powder in color Snow Rose. Complete Control blending sponge from NYX. Some setting sprays in dewy finish and matte finish. Away We Glow liquid booster. Pore filler primer. Tinted brow mascara in shades Espresso and Chocolate. Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation in colors cinnamon, natural, light, medium buff, and pale. Pro Foundation Palette. Some single action. A highlight and contour pro palette from NYX Professional Makeup. 2 ultimate palettes, and these are Bright and Smokescreen. Some Glitter Goals palettes. These are in Galactica and Cream Pro palette. Mystic Petals shadow palettes. Dark Mystic and Midnight Orchid. Cosmic Metals shadow palette. One more big shadow palette. Such a know-it-all palette volume 1. So thank you all for being with me. Thank you all for inspiring me. Thank you NYX for giving us this opportunity and these amazing presents. And wish me luck in our new challenge, final challenge, which is Wonderland After Dark. This one's going to be tough, this one's going to be rough, but oh boy, this one's going to be marvelous. And I bet that judges are going to have such a hard time choosing the winner. Best of luck for you, and best of luck to all the finalists in the whole wide world doing this amazing challenge. See you really soon. Stay tuned.